Welcome to the Co-op Refinery Complex, one of Canada's largest petroleum refineries. Our more than 1,000 permitted employees produce 130,000 barrels of premium finished petroleum products per day. While the majority of the refinery's production is gasoline and diesel, the facility also produces propane, butane, anode-grade coke, heavy fuel oil, asphalt, and sulfur. The Co-op Refinery Complex produces 6.8 billion liters of finished products per year and has 5.6 million barrels of storage on site. On average, the refinery distributes 17 million liters of product each and every day, supplying the cooperative retailing system with fuel they require to serve the Western Canadian market. The Co-op sells approximately 8.2 million liters of gasoline a day. The Co-op Refinery Complex is made up of 5 processing sections that sit on over 800 acres of land on the north end of the city of Regina. Sections 1 and 2 are the oldest sections on site, and in conjunction with Section 3, process up to 60,000 barrels per day of heavy crude through crude unit number 1. In Sections 1 and 2, crude is converted into high-quality gasoline and some diesel. The first 2 sections served the refinery by themselves for over 30 years, from the mid-1950s until 1987. In the late 1970s, a major revamp where most of Section 1 was replaced brought capacity to 50,000 barrels per day of sweet crude. Section 3 was added in 1988 as a partnership with the Saskatchewan provincial government that added the heavy oil upgrader and the ability to process 100% heavy crude at 60,000 barrels per day. The heavy oil upgrader provided the refinery with the advantage of processing Saskatchewan-produced heavy crude, benefiting both the province and the refinery. Section 3 also added increased diesel production of higher quality, allowing the refinery to make premium diesel. Together, Sections 1, 2, and 3 make up the majority of the refinery's physical footprint. Section 4 of the refinery processes 40,000 barrels per day of sour synthetic crude, with the majority converted to the highest quality premium diesel in the market. This diesel serves the cooperative retailing system as they help our Western Canadian agriculture producers to fuel seeding, harvest, and the needs of their operations. Diesel is a large part of our operation. In order to meet the demands of the Western Canadian market, the Co-op Refinery Complex is configured and has the flexibility to produce gasoline and diesel at a 1-to-1 ratio. Section 5 is the most recent addition to our operation, opening for business in the fall of 2012. The $2.8 billion expansion processes 30,000 barrels per day of sweet synthetic crude. With the addition of this section, the refinery's processing capacity of crude oil is increased from 100,000 to 130,000 barrels per day. The newest section to the refinery also included revamps to existing units, and combined with Section 5, added 40,000 barrels per day increase in gasoline and diesel production. Section 6 is the process area that constitutes steam production, pumps, storage tanks, and our water and wastewater systems. In the spring of 2016, the refinery announced that its industry-leading $200 million wastewater improvement project was in its commissioning phase. The project makes the CRC the only refinery in North America that can clean and recycle all of its wastewater for the purpose of steam production. This puts the CRC on the leading edge of environmental sustainability in the oil refining industry and ensures a greener future for the refinery and the community. In addition to the 5 crude processing sections, the refinery also has its own on-site maintenance, with more than 300 employees working to maintain the facility. In addition, safety personnel, emergency response teams, and an on-site fire department keep the refinery, the community, and the refinery employees safe. An on-site laboratory works daily to ensure product quality, as the refinery goes to great lengths to deliver the finest quality petroleum products in the industry. The refinery's Petroleum Distribution Department, or PDD, is responsible for the loading and transportation of the refinery's products. This department also manufactures and ships the lube oils for the cooperative retailing system. Finally, Many on-site engineering and administration functions ensure our equipment is operational and our business is operating effectively and efficiently. At the Co-op Refinery Complex, our vision is to be a recognized leader in safety, reliability, and sustainability within the petroleum refining industry. We believe our values of integrity, responsibility, and excellence will guide us in realizing our vision and ultimately fuel our business in accomplishing our mission of fueling Western Canada.